Suck it, Billy commanded, pressing his hands down on top of her head. Suck it hard. And she was doing the best she could. What more did she expect? Arg, he let out a long, agonized groan. That's it, sweet thing, that's it. I'm coming. The girl attempted to pull away. No, Billy yelled, pressing down even harder on the back of her head. Swallow it, suck it all down, he groaned again. Then mumbled, go, baby, go. That's it, yeah. And then he started another one, and she gets into his pool naked. And then it says, how about you getting in, she suggested, becoming bolder by the minute. It's all warm and wet. You won't be disappointed. She flipped onto her back, floating in his azure pool with her long nipples erect and disturbingly tempting. He contemplated this juicy prize for their taking. She had a flat stomach, a huge bush of wiry pubic hair, which he found quite sexy because shaved pussies was all the rage in Hollywood, and those long, sexy legs.
Wow.
Yeah, I told you. I got this from the library.
Oh my God.
Public library. I wonder if they've let a 6-year-old
This is how
check it out.
Me, Greg, and T-Ray do story time. My God.
My God. My fucking God. Once upon a time, there was a girl giving a guy a head.
And he liked it.
And he loved it. And then he jizzed in her throat. And that dude swallowed it down like water.
Oh God. That's one of those moments where I'll go totally gay and be like, that's why I like pussy. Fuck all that.
I like pussy too.
Who doesn't?
I've never tasted pussy.
Oh my God, you should try it.
Yeah,
It's the bomb.
It's the shit.
I don't know. Kind of like cock.
It was so funny because me and Leona were talking about it, and she was there and she goes, yeah, I agree with you. She was pussy's addictive. I was like fucking crack. She was like, goddamn heroin.
I don't have a problem in saying a girl is hot. Like, she can be fine as hell.
Yeah.
And like, she can have nice titties. And I love to watch porn. But
Porn is approved in this house.
We got a bunch.
Yeah, porn's the shit.
And I don't know if I could eat a pussy.
That's my favorite hobby.
Sit around and watch porn.
Yeah, I like to eat pussy too. I love it when you sit on my face.